Hello, my name is Dr. Odam. I've been working with the Somali community for the last 15 years, and I can say that I've treated most of the Somali families here in St. Cloud, Minneapolis, and also in Fairmont. And because I've worked with the community for such a long time, I think it's important for me to add my voice to the education that we're given about this new disease called COVID-19. It's a very serious illness, and particularly it's important for us to be able to prevent ourselves from getting it, because most of our community have some of the risk factors that makes the disease more severe. As you all know, many of our families are older. We have older moms, older dads. We also have a lot of diabetes, hypertension, cholesterol problems, asthma, lung disease, and a lot of rheumatism. We also take a lot of medications. All those things put you at risk. What I would say is that let's do everything that we can as a community not to get the disease. The first thing is that make sure that you cover your face with a mask all the time if you can. Make sure that you wash your hands as often as you can to keep it clean. If it's possible, stay home. Send somebody out to the store to get you what you need so that you don't get exposed to the disease. But should in case you get the disease, basically it presents with a cough, a little runny nose, and sometimes trouble breathing. And nowadays we're being told that people are having like a small cold, as if you're not able to taste food, some headaches. If something like that is going on, the best advice is that you should get over the emergency so they examine you. Otherwise, so call your doctor phone and discuss with them, and then they can direct you to the right place. But it's very important that we listen to what the public officials are telling us. Please, let's stay home. And so the best way to take care of this disease is to follow what we call social distancing, which means that we stay away from each other at least 6 feet. We should also try as much as possible, if we can, to get a mask, cover our face, and make sure that we also wash our hands frequently, and as much as possible reduce how often we go out to the store. If it's possible, you can send somebody to get what you need. It's important for us to know that we always need to be connected to a primary doctor. If you have any questions or you're having any issues understanding this disease, you can always give us a call. We can talk to you on the phone, and then we can direct you as to what you need to do. I'll take a little bit of your time to talk about Odam Medical Group. We are a culturally based medical clinic. We provide primary care services to adults, children, and people of all ages. We are staffed with full staff, and I take my time to explain. All the staff in this clinic are Africans, and we understand what you're going through. We understand how you describe your problems, and we are able to figure out what is wrong with you most of the time. We also do immigration exams for people who are filing for green card. We also help people who need to file citizenship, and then we also do DOT exams. The other thing that I wanted to mention is that we also see children. Back to school exams, vaccinations, sports physicals, we do all that. Again, I would like to remind you that it's a culturally based clinic. We have a lot of staff who speak your language, and as we go along with this program, I'll have my nurse come in and talk to you and tell you more things that we do.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. مقعيق وأمر عبد الله وحن كشقيا أودم كلينيكا أودم ميديكال جروب وسنكلاد كيالو وحنا هاي نيرس وحنا شقيا سي خاصة هاني دكتور أودم ما أنت وعي قلنتنا وحيويان عذر كان كورونا فيروس أي نكهذلنا iyo taxadarka u baahan tahay inaad samaysid waxaan dadka aan la shaqeyno waxa kamid ah dadka cudurkan coronavirus ay halis u ku yahay oo kamid yahay hadaa qabtid sokor hadaa qabtid dhiikar hadaa qabtid cholesterol hadaa qabtid asthma dadkaas qaarkood dadkaas hadaalaan aan sheegay waxay ku yihiin halis zaid cudurkan marka waxaan ku wacyigelin lahayn inta guriyihiina joogtiin aadan magaalada ka bixin gurigiina ka bixin oo gacmaha iska dhaqdeen frequently often gacmihiina iska dhaqdeen aad ka fogaateen qofka 6 mitir mise 6 feet haddii magaalada aad rabtiin ina aadeen waxa sameyn kartiin ilmaha mise dadka kale oo immune systemkooda uu yahay strong inta magaalada u tirtiin ayaga idin soo adeegaan oo guryahana aad ku soo laawatiin clinic-gana wuxuu kaga dugan yahay clinic-yaasha kale waa culturally competent bulshada baan si khaas ah oo la shaqeynaa waxyaabada qaarkood aan kaga fiicanahay waxay tahay haddii oo aad u baahan tahay inaad dhakhtarka aragtid qasab maaha inta imaadid oo aad ballan qabsatid waa iska imaan kartaa waa kana ku imaan kartaa meeshaas waan ku arkaynaa adoo markaas su'aal hadaa qabtid dhakhtarka baa weydiin kartaa haddii kale nurse-ka like me أنا أهانتيدا سؤالها هذا قبضت قار أنا أكتشاف كربات جيران هدانا أنا مركز علمي أنا نقول هن سؤالها يوديني سو دكتور كبانو تجيا دكتور كان سؤال شكو ويديني مثل دكتور كان نفس الكيس بنقوله كل سنة يا سؤالها هذا قبضت وكاجت شبابه مركا أنا جنو إيماني ست the one thing أكول ولي كرينا وحياتها هاي إنها ترجمان هرؤسو كحيستد مثل عايز هديت أوكي ما أنت اختار كبار رأينا هذا لكن لو قدم أقانية إيه ترجمانايو تاسم كول ولي كرتد محايلة دخترك إيه نيرس كويس لشقينيان نيرس كنا يعني جباه ترجمان كنا يعني جباه information كذي markii aan ku roon gareenayo ugu soo horeysa waa aniga ba information kaada marka hore helayo aniga ba ka qaadayo dhakhtarka ba u gudbinaa hadan dhakhtarka markuu ku imaanayo wasla imaanayna sidii information kaada ay kugu soo gaarto sidii loogu talagalay u fahantid haddana barnaamijkeeni halkaas waan kusoo gabagabaynaynaa waxaan u mahad celinaynaa maxamed jaamac Sinclair Somalia TV oo arintan noo suurtageliyay maanta inaan ka hadalno bulshada aan la hadalno insha Allah intani in ka badan wacyigelin waad ka arki doontiin